If you run lead gen campaigns for legal or insurance offers, this video is for you. I'll show you how you can build a complete motor vehicle accident quiz funnel inside of LanderLab using simple conditional logic that adapts automatically to each user's answers. So let's get into it. See, I already have my landing page here, so I'm only heading here to elements and I will simply drag and drop the quiz element into my landing page, and let's create it from scratch. Okay, I will start by updating my headline, and the first question will be, were you injured during the accident? I will search here for a container, and inside this container I will search for city A and then another one, and let's update this to yes and no. Head to decoration and let's remove this arrow as we don't need it for the moment. Head to appearance and let's make the button size large so they appear bigger on my landing page. Let's go ahead and add another step now to ask the next question, which will be, was it your fault? I will search for a multiple choice and I will leave the options a yes and no. We'll head to navigation and I will choose next step and turn this toggle on, and after they choose yes or no, they will be automatically redirected to the next question. Let's go ahead and ask another question and ask, when did the accident happen? Add the options as 3 months ago, 6 months ago, 1 year ago, or 2 years ago. Head again to navigation and turn this toggle on, and after they choose one of the options, they will be automatically redirected to the next question. Let's head to appearance and choose our layout type and leave it like this, and add another step where we will use conditional logic now. Delete this continue button and let's add another multiple choice. Update the attribute here. And leave the options as yes and no. Head to navigation and choose conditional. And now let's work on our conditional path. If they choose yes, they have hired an attorney, I will leave this option as thank you for filling out this form, as they do not qualify for a free review. Update the step name here so it will be easier for me to choose my conditional. Go ahead with path no. No, they have not hired an attorney, which will be, you are one step closer from your free case review. And let's go ahead, delete this button, and let's add some blocks to ask them for their first name, their last name, their email address, their phone number, and for their zip code. Okay, now let's go ahead and search for submit button. This way we will gather our leads here. Head to navigation and choose what happens after they fill out this form. I will give this as go to next step. Update the name here as well. And the final thing will be simply a thank you headline along with a loader. This way they will know that they have successfully completed the form. Let's head again here. Step number 4, have you hired an attorney? Head to navigation. So if they choose yes, go here. If they choose no, they will go to this other path here. Let's click update. Wait for this to be saved, and we will run a test together. We're injured with the accident. Okay. As you can see here, if I choose yes, I will be redirected to thank you for filling out this form. Let's go ahead and refresh this. And if I choose again no, as you can see, I will have to fill out this form here. Okay, as you can see, this was very easy. I hope you found this helpful and thank you for watching.